Hello guys, and welcome to this special needs tutorial which I hope will be somewhat useful. I will show you little piglins how to get a fucking cool moving background like my extremely cozy and also lonely background with an even fucking cooler software called Lively. As you can see, it's very easy to configure. Taken that you're not mentally retarded. Ha ha, very funny. Just go to this extremely sexy website which I will have linked in the very not so descriptive description. Click the download button and then proceed to click the installer setup button, you little piglin. As you can see, very unexpectedly, it's getting downloaded. When it has finished downloading, you have the option to choose your preferred language. Click accept. Now you just keep clicking next until you come to the install button. Now, if you can't possibly figure it out yourself, you proceed to click the install button since you know you want it to install. After that, you click finish. You will have to restart your device in order for the software to work. When everything is done, you'll find the software in the taskbar at hidden icons. Click Open Lively and configure it how your piglin look in as wants. I will also leave a link in the description to where you can download YouTube videos since the software supports MP4 and other video formats. Much love from your boy World, you worlds.